Hello students, today we are here to continue or to start exercise 2.5 and to continue the chapter linear equations. I hope the four exercises are done by you all in your notebooks as well. So this time you are giving some more complex equations in this equation, not the problem sums. The statement sums is in next exercise. This exercise will contain little more complex questions as what you have done to solve various linear equations. So the first question here is having fractions in it. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. What we'll do, first of all, we will keep x on one side and the numbers on another side. So if we'll take this x by 3 on left side, it will be minus x by 3. And if we take this negative number 1 by 5 to the right side, it will be plus 1 by 5. So on taking LCM of the left hand side, the LCM of 2 and 3 would be 6. 6 divided by 2 will give you 3. और 3 को ऊपर न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, that will give you 3 into x, that is 3x. And here 6 divided by 3 will give you 2, and 2 on multiplying with the numerator x will give you 2x, and this minus sign will remain same. So it is 3x minus 2x upon 6, which on further solving will give you x upon 6. On the other hand, the right side, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5, the LCM of 4 and 5 would be 20. So 20 divided by 4 will give you 5, and 5 into 1 is 5. 20 divided by 5 will give you 4, and 4 multiplied by 1 is equals to 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9 upon 20. So you have to find the value of x. So to make x only alone, this 6 is divided by x. So on taking to the right hand side, or to transpose is to the right hand side, it will be multiplied. So x is equals to 9 by 20 multiplied by 6. So you can reduce 6 and 20 with the table of 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 10s are 20. So 9 3s are 27 upon 10, and you can write it in mixed fraction as well. It will be giving you 2 along with 7 by 10. Second question is having a variable n. Now with this n, all the terms having n are on the left hand side. So we can directly take the LCM of the left hand side. So 2, 4 and 6 LCM would be 12. 12 को 2 से divide करेंगे तो you will be getting 6, and 6 multiplied with n will give you 6n. Minus sign, then 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 3 multiplied by 3n will give you 9n. Then the sign of plus will remain same. 12 to be divided with 6 give you 2, and 2 into 5n will give you 10n is equals to 21. अब ये n की सारी एक साथ ही टर्म सॉल्व कर सकते हैं हम, and it will give you one term. और ये जो 12 यहाँ डिवाइड हो रहा है पूरे के साथ, ये राइट साइड पे जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. सो 10 and 9n में माइनस प्लस है, तो इट विल गिव यू प्लस 1n, and 6n plus 1n is equals to 7n. So 7n upon 12 is equals to 21. अब 12 वहां जाके मल्टीप्लाई होगा और 7 वहां जाके डिवाइड, और यू कैन से 7 by 12 का जो पूरा फ्रैक्शन यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, वहां जाकर राइट साइड पर ईदर यू कैन से डिवाइड एंड देन रेसिप्रोकल टू मेक इट मल्टीप्लाई, और डायरेक्टली जो यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है फ्रैक्शन, वो फ्रैक्शन वहां जाके मल्टीप्लाई के साथ उसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाता है. Like 7 by 12 will become 12 by 7. Now 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21. So 3 into 12 is 36. So the value of n in this question is 36. Move to the third part. Now in this again the variable of x and numbers are mixed. So first we will separate it. So x will remain same, minus 8x upon 3 will remain same. This minus 5 by x upon 2 will take to the left hand side and will give you plus 5x by 2. This is 17 by 6 plus 7 will become minus 7. Now we will be solving it by taking LCM. The LCM of 1, 3 and 2 would be 6. So 6 divided by 1 is 6 and multiplied by x is 6x. 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 2 multiplied by 8x will be 16x. The sign of this subtraction will remain same and here after 8x it will be plus. So 2 के टेबल में 6 आता है 3 पर and 3 multiplied by 5x will give you 15x. So now 6x minus 16x will give you minus 10x and minus 10x plus 15x will give you plus 5x upon 6. On right hand side, the LCM of 6 and 1 would be 6 and it will give us 17 and 1 6 are 6, 6 7s are 42. 17 minus 42 would be minus 25. Now x is equals to minus 25 upon 6 और जैसे अभी हमने सीखा कि 5/6 फ्रैक्शन उससे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड इट वुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड 6/5. So 6 से 6 reduce हो जाएगा and 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So the value of x would be minus 5. Let's continue with our next question. X minus 5 upon 3 is equals to x minus 3 upon 5. Now this is a bit different. So we can directly cross multiply this. How? When you are cross multiplying two fractions, the denominator of one will be multiplied with the numerator of other, and similarly the denominator of first will multiply with the numerator of other. So 5 multiplied with x minus 5 in bracket, because this 5 is with both the terms, and then 3 multiplied with in bracket x minus 3. So 5 को जब हम x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो it will give it 5x, and 5 को 5 minus 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 5 5s are minus 25. Similarly 3 will be happening. So 5x minus 25 and 3x, and 3 को minus 3 से करेंगे तो minus 9. Now take the variable terms on one side. So 3x को आप इधर लाए तो minus 3x हो गया और minus 25 को right side पर ले गए तो plus 25. So 5x minus 3x is 2x is equals to minus 9 plus 25. On solving as integers will be giving you 16. So x is equals to 16 upon 2 and that would be 8. So the value of x is equals to 8. So this is called cross multiplication, that in between equals to sign we can cross multiply. Now the fifth question is little bit similar to the fourth one but having more terms in comparison to the fourth one. So this term is also having t, this is also having t, and one more t is here. So what we will be doing, first of all, we will be taking all the t's on one side. So minus t will transpose to left hand side. We'll be giving you plus t. Now take the LCM of this first term, second term and third term, that is 12. So 12 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो we will be getting 3. और 3 को इस पूरी ऊपर की टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 3 3s are 90 और 3 को 2 से भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 2s are 6. अब 12 को इस 3 से डिवाइड करा तो वी विल बी गेटिंग 4. 4 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 4 2s are 80 और 4 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 4 3s are 12. नाउ इन दिस ये जो माइनस साइन आ रहा है एक बीच में पूरे टर्म से पहले, ये माइनस साइन भी दोनों टर्म्स के साथ आएगा. तो ये माइनस साइन ने इस 80 को भी माइनस कर दिया और इसी माइनस साइन ने इस 12 को भी माइनस कर दिया, क्योंकि ये माइनस इसके साथ 2t के साथ भी है और यही माइनस इस प्लस के साथ भी आएगा. तो बोथ द साइंस वुड बी नेगेटिव एंड दिस t we will be considering as 1. तो 12 को 1 से डिवाइड करा तो you will be getting 12 and 12 को t से मल्टीप्लाई करा तो आया plus 12t. Now solve the t's and then we will solve it further. So 90 minus 8t will give you 1t and 1t plus 12t will be 13t. Okay, and minus 6 minus 12 both are negative, so we will be adding it. So we will be getting this minus 6 and minus 12 will give you minus 18. So now we can this 13t and minus 18 upon 12 is equals to 2 upon 3. After this step we will cross multiply. this 3 with 13t minus 18 and 2 with 12. So 3 को 13t से मल्टीप्लाई करा तो 39t और 3 को 18 से मल्टीप्लाई करा माइनस 18 से माइनस 54 and 12 2s are 24. So minus 54 we will be taking on the right hand side. It will give 39t is equals to 24 plus 54. That will on adding will give you 78. So the value of t would be 78 divided by 39 and that will ultimately give you the value of 2. Okay. So इसमें अगर आपको ये माइनस में कंफ्यूजन है अगर इस पॉइंट में, सो यू कैन सी इट फ्रॉम हेयर एज वेल कि जब आपने 12 को 3 से आई रिपीट दिस थिंग, 12 को आपने 3 से डिवाइड करा तो आपके पास आया 4 और 4 को आपने 2t से भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है और 4 को आपने 3 से भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो माइनस साइन 2t के साथ माइनस देगा और माइनस प्लस 3 के साथ भी माइनस इसको नेगेटिव कर देगा. सो while writing just keep it in mind that इस स्टेप के बाद ये वाला स्टेप है और इसके बाद ये है एंड देन अगेन दिस स्टेप, देन दिस हेयर, इसके बाद ये स्टेप है एंड देन लास्ट वन इज हेयर दिस स्टेप एंड देन हेयर. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ t would be 2. This is a very good question, so just write on your own once. Okay. Now, sixth question says, again this is quite similar, but the variable is m. So first of all, keep your m on one side, all m. So m we can write as m upon 1, then minus m minus 1 upon 2. This m minus 2 upon 3 will take to left hand side, will give you m minus 2 upon 3 equals to 1. Now take the LCM of the left hand side, that is 6. 6 divided by 1 will give you 6. On multiplying with m, it will give you 6m. 6 divided by 2 will give you 3. So minus 3 in bracket m minus 1, क्योंकि minus 3 पूरे m minus 1 के साथ multiply होगा. And then 6 divided by 3 will give you 2 and 2 will be multiplied with this both m minus 2. Now we will solve the brackets. तो 6m minus 3m के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होके दिया minus 3m and on multiplying this minus 3 with minus 1 will give you plus 3, because on multiplying minus and minus will get stuck off and it will give you a positive sign. And 2 has to be multiplied with these both the numbers, so 2m and 2 को minus 2 से करा तो minus 4. Now this 6 you can take to the right hand side as well and you can solve in numerator. 6m minus 3m is equals to 3m plus 2m is 5m. So 5m and plus 3 minus 4 will give you minus 1 upon 6. जो 6 यहाँ पे डिवाइड हो रहा है राइट साइड पे जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. 1 into 6 would be 6. Now this minus 1 will come to right side, plus 1 हो जाएगा, that is 7. और जो 5 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है वहां पर जाकर राइट साइड पे ऑन ट्रांसपोजिंग इट विल बी डिवाइडेड. So the value of m is equals to 7 upon 5. Clear? Seventh question में, this is 3 in bracket t minus 3 is equals to 5 in bracket 2t plus 1. So first of all, keep it in mind, whatever is multiplying with a bracket, it means that number is multiplying with whole of its bracket, not one term. Keep it in mind forever. So 3 on multiplying with t will give you 3t और 3 को minus 3 से multiply करेंगे तो minus 9 is equals to 5 को 2t से multiply करेंगे तो 5 2s are 10t and 5 को 1 से multiply करेंगे तो plus 5. Now take the t's on one side. So 3t में 10t को इधर लाएंगे तो minus 10t हो जाएगा और minus 9 on right side will go and become plus 9. So 3t minus 10t would be minus 7t and 9 plus 5 is 14. So t is equals to 14 upon minus 7 and it will give you the value of t to be minus 2, because 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. Eighth part is just without fraction but 3 brackets. So first of all, solve the brackets. एंड आई टोल्ड यू ऑल्सो कि जो भी नंबर है ब्रैकेट के बाहर वो दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, ये आपको ध्यान रखना है हर बार। इसमें -2 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस साइन भी चेंज जो करेगा वो भी आपको ध्यान में रखना है। सो 15 into y will be 15y, एंड 15 को -4 से करा तो -60, देन -2 into y is -2y, -2 into -9, so 2 9s are 18, और माइनस से माइनस रक ऑफ होके आ जाएगा 18। अब 5 को y से करेंगे तो 5y, एंड 5 6 are 30 is equals to 0. So 15y plus 5y is equals to 20y, और 20y minus 2y is equals to 18y. तो 18y आया, और साथ में अब नंबर्स को सॉल्व करेंगे। सो -60 + 30, पहले कोई भी दो नंबर्स आप ले सकते हैं। -60 + 30 ने आपको दिया -30, एंड देन -30 + 18 जो नंबर है उसको सॉल्व करेंगे। अगेन वन इज पॉजिटिव एंड वन इज नेगेटिव, सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट। So -30 + 18 will give you -12, because 30 is the bigger number. You can take any two numbers, means variables will be all together solved and constants will be solved together. So 18y minus 12 is equals to 0. 18y is equals to 0 plus 12 is equals to 12. Y is equals to 12 upon 18, and 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So the value of y would be 2 upon 3. Though the question was not in fraction, but still the answer is in fraction. Let's see the ninth part of this exercise. This is quite similar to eighth one, a little more terms than that. So first again you will be solving the bracket. So 3 on multiplying with 5z will give you 15z. 3 into -7 -21. -2 into 9z -18z. -2 multiplied with -11 plus 22, because 11 2s are 22, and this minus will give you plus sign, is equals to 4 8s are 32 z, और 4 को -13 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इट वुड बी -52, और last left is -17. Now either solve one by one, or you can convert all the z's and constants on the other sides. So first we'll see this 15z and -18z if we'll be taking, जो left hand side में x के variables हैं, 15z लिया हमने और -18z, it will give you -3z, और -21 लिया and +22, that will give you +1. This will get on the left side. On the right side 32z will remain same. -52 और -17 दोनों कांस्टेंट्स हैं, दोनों नेगेटिव साइंस हैं, तो आपस में ऐड होंगे एंड विल गिव यू 69. ओके, सो -32z जो है वो लेफ्ट साइड में आके -32z हो जाएगा, एंड दिस +1 will go to right side and will give you -1. So these both are z. 32 and 33 will be adding because both have same sign of minus. It will be -35z, and 69 and 1 also both are having negative same sign, so it will be adding and the sign would be minus. So -35z is equals to -70. Z is equals to -70 upon -35, that is 2, because 35 ones are and 35 twos are 70, minus से minus reduce हो जाएगा, so you will be getting the value to be 2. So with this questions are done. One more is left, 10th question. It is having decimal. Most of the students are scared of fraction and decimal, but it's not like difficult as you think. Just practice is required for everything. So again 0.25 को 4 से और 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कंसिडर इट टू बी 25 पैसे। तो 25 को आप 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इट वुड बी 1, एंड 25 को आप 3 से करेंगे तो इट बी 0.75, लेकिन आपको डेसिमल मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी आनी चाहिए। तो 0.25 को 4f से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वी विल बी गेटिंग 1f, और 0.25 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सो वी विल बी गेटिंग -0.75। अब 0.05 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो जब हमें 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है वी जस्ट नीड टू मूव द डेसिमल 1 प्लेस टू द राइट हैंड साइड, तो ये डेसिमल यहाँ पे मूव होके आ जाएगा 0.5f। और जब 9 को 0.05 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 9 5s आर 45 और 45 में 2 डिजिट्स पहले डेसिमल है, तो आंसर में भी 2 डिजिट पहले डेसिमल हो जाएगा 0.45। Now take the f's on the variables of f on one side and constants on another side. So 1.00f को we can write as f and 0.5f इधर आके माइनस हो जाएगा। दिस इज माइनस 0.45 में 0.75 राइट साइड में जाके प्लस हो जाएगा, तो 1 में से 0.5 माइनस होके वी विल गेट 0.5 और 0.75 में से 0.45 माइनस करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 0.30। 75 is greater than 45, so the sign would be plus. Now f is equals to 0.30 upon, I'll show you how will be this divide done. Rest all तो बहुत easy थे, verbally हो गए। f is equals to 0.30 upon 0.5। अगर आपने नीचे का डिनोमिनेटर में डेसिमल हटाया तो ऊपर आ जाएगा 10 और ऊपर का डेसिमल हटाया तो पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट्स हैं, so we will be having 100. You will also be showing this. So this 0 will get stuck off with this 0 and this is 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So the value of f would be 6 upon 10. No need to solve it though it is divisible by the table of 2, but don't divide because with the help of 10 we can directly write it in decimal. So the value of f would be 0.6 because अगर नीचे 10 से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो डेसिमल में एक डिजिट पीछे से एक डिजिट पहले उसमें डेसिमल आ जाएगा। So this is a little revision of your decimals as well. So I request you all to revise the multiplication, division, plus and minus of decimals as well. Keep revising all the operations of fractions and decimals. Then only you would be comfortable doing this linear equations if you are thorough with the basic fundamental operations of fractions and decimals that I kept telling you that the class 7 fractions and decimals is very important chapter for your further classes. So keep revising this work and do it in your notebooks. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.